guys, it's Melody Lane here, and today we have a mystery box. The Land Before Time mystery box. I haven't opened it yet. Let's find out what's in it together. This part's open, but I gotta cut all this. I'm so glad they're letting us do a video. Okay, you ready? Lots of goodies. Oh my gosh, it has a 4th of July theme. And this box wants to stay open. So we're going to turn it this way. There is no cutie. So if you're here only for a cutie, there isn't one. But there's all kinds of fun things. Look at that glitter iron-on. That is so pretty. And the red holographic sparkle iron-on in red and blue. And look at this one. Woohoo! The mesh, and it has stars. Are you guys ready for the 4th of July? If not, you might want to get this box. And then we have white to go with our reds and blues. White permanent iron-on, not iron-on, permanent vinyl. This is red permanent vinyl. And then these three are iron-on. And this blue is permanent vinyl. So we have red, white, and blue. Ooh, what are these? Ooh, pens. These are finger paints, aren't they? Oh, just classic. I thought they were finger paint colors. They're basic colors, which are amazing. Love these pens. And a premium fine point pen. Now, you always need to have, it's not a pen. Did I say pen? A premium fine point blade. You always need an extra blade. Always have an extra blade around. All right, what's this? Some felt. Look at all these colors of felt. These can be cut on any of the Cricut machines. Look at the beautiful colors. Love these. And you can cut them on the Explore machines. What's this? Cricut Martha Stewart mixed materials corn flour. Let's see. Oh, transfer tape. You get a sheet of transfer tape in here. Blue, light blue paper, white vinyl, and blue vinyl. That's amazing. They give you a sheet of transfer. That is pretty cool. Thank you, Cricut. And this is a color that I'm kind of low on, or I don't even know if I have this exact color, but it's like a sky blue. I love this blue, and Alex will be so happy we have more of this blue color. Awesome. You can use my code Melody Lane and get 10% off. And if you have Cricut Access, you get another 10% off. If you have Premium Access, you get 20% off. This box is $39.99. You get 20% off that if you have Premium Access. If you don't have Premium Access, I suggest you get it because you get 20% off all materials you buy at Cricut. On top of that, you get 10% off with my code. That 20% is even off of sale prices. If the materials are 40% off, you get an extra 20% off. And then if you have $50 in your cart, you do have to have $50 in your cart to use my code. But with the discounts, sometimes you don't even have to pay $50 for your items because the discount lowers it, really lowers it with taking off the shipping. And with Access, you get 10% off machines, even the new machine. You get 10% off everything you buy. But Premium gives you 20% off materials. Extra added bonus. You can purchase this box if you do not have Access. You just have to pay full price. Unless you get $50 in your cart, you can still use my code. Melody Lane is the code. And this is available in Canada as well. All right, guys, leave me a comment if you like this box. Even if you don't like this box, let me know. Or are you just buying boxes with cuties in them? Or do you want a box with different items in it? Tell us what you want. All right, guys, there is a link in the description below, and I will see you probably tonight in the next video. Bye.